don't need more money. You're just bad at keeping it. Right now, if I gave you $10,000, you'd probably lose it. Not because you're stupid, but because you haven't built the habits to hold it. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to build your first $10,000. Not by chasing money, but by becoming the kind of person who can keep it. Right now, you don't have a money problem. You have a behavior problem. You earn, and then you spend. You feel good for a moment, then you're back to zero. Again and again and again. That's not bad luck. That's a pattern. Your brain is not trying to make you rich. It's trying to make you feel good. Every time you spend money, you get a hit. Food, clothes, random stuff you don't need. It feels like progress, but it's not. It's just distraction. And the more you chase that feeling, the further you move away from real money. So step 1, stop the leak. You don't build $10,000 by earning more first. You build it by keeping what you already have. Track every dollar. Yes, every single one. Because what you don't track, you lose. Most people are not broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because they don't know where their money goes. Step 2, delay your impulses. Every time you want to buy something, wait 48 hours. No exceptions. If you still want it after that, fine. But most of the time, you won't. Because it was never a need, it was just a feeling. Step 3, build your first system. Every time money comes in, split it. A percentage for living, a percentage for saving, a percentage for investing. Don't think about it. Don't negotiate. Automate it. Because discipline fails, but systems don't. Step 4, increase your income. This is where most people get it wrong. They try to save their way to $10,000, but you can't save what you don't earn. Learn a skill. Sell something. Take on extra work. Your first $10,000 will not come from comfort. It will come from effort. And here's the truth. The money is not the goal. The goal is who you become while building it. The man who can make $10,000 once can make it again, and again, and again. Most people will watch this, feel motivated, and do nothing. That's why they stay stuck. But if you do this, track your money, control your spending, build a system, increase your income, you won't just reach $10,000. You'll become the kind of man who doesn't go broke again. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Start today. Or stay exactly where you are. Your choice. Subscribe.